Hello everyone, so today is episode 2 of crochet for absolute beginners, and today we will be learning about what crochet hooks to use. Okay, and we will learn about another thing which is called gauge. So I will teach you what gauge is, but first we need to learn about crochet hooks. So crochet basically means hooking in French. Okay, so sometimes sometimes people might call this hooking, but crochet is like the traditional word. So here I have a set of crochet hooks, and these are plastic crochet hooks. So for beginners, I absolutely do not recommend plastic crochet hooks. The reason is, first of all, it's very fragile, so you can break it, and second, it is just not like worth it, because these won't last long, and most of the plastic crochet hooks are made in China. So what I recommend is aluminium crochet hooks. I do have aluminium crochet hooks, but they are actually in my native home. I'm now in Pune, so I can't show you my aluminium crochet hooks, but I will have the links in the description. And so now we need to learn what crochet hooks to use for what yarn. So as you see, I have this desire yarn which I showed in episode 1, and here you would see something like this. So here it tells you what crochet hook to use. So here it says on this 3, there is a number called 3, and there is another number which is 6.5 millimeter. So in these the millimeter size is basically what it is, what the crochet hook is measured in diameter. So let me just pull out the 6.5 millimeter crochet hook. This is my 6.5 millimeter crochet hook, and what this means is that this is the best crochet hook to use for this yarn. So your yarn label will say to use the crochet hook which is for your yarn. So if sometimes some yarns don't even say what crochet hook to use, it just plainly gives you the yarn without saying anything. So you need to figure out that yourself, but fortunately this yarn says it. And let me just show you how this fits. So I'll just take this and see, this fits perfectly. This yarn fits perfectly with 6.5 mm. So you need to follow what your label says. If I use like let's say 4.5 mm for this, then it might be a problem. And as a crocheter, it is better to use a hook size bigger. So maybe you might use a 7 millimeter, but I'm just sticking to 6.5 millimeter because I'm not a beginner. I can manage. And the second thing we need to talk about is gauge. So I think gauge is like very rare in yarns, but if you buy from Ganga Acrylics, then you will definitely find these vital information. So here it says 14S 16 row, not row, it is written R. So S means stitch and R means row. So what basically says, if we do 14 stitches, 14 stitches, so what stitch means is that it is the horizontal part, and row means the vertical part. So rows are built up in stitches, and that would create 10 centimeter by 10 centimeter. So this just tells the gauge, but What if I want 5 centimeter by 5 centimeter? Then I will have to divide these two numbers by 2. So 14 divided by 2 is 7 and 16 divided by 2 is 8. So for 5 centimeter by 5 centimeter I will do 7 stitches and 8 rows. And here it says the knitting gauge. So but you don't need to focus on the knitting gauge. So not the knitting gauge. So yeah, that is what is called gauge. So basically the sizing of what sizing of your project. So if you use a 6 millimeter, the gauge slot for 10 centimeter by 10 centimeter might be a bit smaller. So that is why you need to follow the same crochet hook recommended to get the same gauge. Okay, so this was episode 2, which is about what crochet hooks to use as a beginner and your gauge. So in the next video I will be actually starting showing you how to do crochet stitches, which is basically the crochet stitches to make projects. So that will be the real things you need to know to do crochet. So for now, bye.